Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. How about we change the national motto to out of one, many people? Let me tell you why. Our nation lives and breathes right now at a time when profound truths of our identity and our origins and our place in the world are at our fingertips. The libraries of the world are now available to anybody connected to the internet. Also, we should take note that this reflects our spiritual awakening. We have to take note of the changes in Jamaica. Today, our awakening is a more inclusive relationship with God and humanity. One that transcends external divisions. It also embraces the sacred connection that we all share, the collective. This motto embodies that spiritual evolution. Furthermore, we do not belong to the land of Jamaica. The land of Jamaica belongs to us. This motto, this reclaims our ownership of Jamaica, and it affirms our collective identity rooted in ancestral truth and contemporary consciousness. Out of one, we are many.